Hi there, welcome to my channel and my very first YouTube video. Today I'd like to show you how easy it is to achieve a marble feature nail. Throughout the video, I'll demonstrate using 3 different base colors to show how easy it is to create a beautiful marble effect on any color of your choice. Once I've achieved a nice even coat, I add a generous layer of Ugly Duckling Clear Schtick It. The Schtick It I believe works best with gel polish, however I've found that it still helps to blur the lines using hard gels as well, and it also gives me the effect that I am looking for. You want to apply a generous layer of Schtick It, similar to a thick coat of top gloss. This is important. Do not cure in your lamp. This layer acts as your slip layer and will help us create our marble lines, giving us a layer to play with. Now to achieve the lines, you'll want a white that is opaque, but yet thin. I've chosen the Elite White from Amore and find it works great. Go in with a striper brush and draw thin lines into the wet layer of Schtick It. Once I've drawn in a few lines across the nail, I wipe off the extra white gel on my brush and come back in to start creating the marble design. I like to start in the areas where the lines meet, using an up and down tapping motion with my brush. You can let your design rest before curing. This will give your gel more time to blur. Quite often I move on to the next marble nail on my client's other hand. Once I'm happy with how the first design looks, I have the client cure it. So don't be afraid to let the design rest to achieve the look you want. Once it's cured, finish it off with the top gloss. The marble design also looks great using a matte top coat. So now I'll let you sit back and watch how this design can easily be created on white as well as purple. This technique can be used on any color. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Like I said in the beginning, this is my first YouTube video. I hope to create more tutorial videos showing you different designs that are easy to create, resulting in sharp, professional, and beautiful sets of nails for your clients. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like this video.